So here I have a trapezoid. The parallel sides are at the top and bottom. So I have base 1, which is 8 centimeters, and base 2, which is 10. You could count those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the height is 5 centimeters. So this is my trapezoid, and now I've cut it in half. So let's look at what we can do when we cut the trapezoid in half. I'm going to take this half out, and I'm going to flip it over and put it right there. And just so you can see it better, I'm going to move this to the side. So there you can see that I've put my two pieces together, and now I have a rectangle. And the rectangle is still 5 centimeters high. And if you remember, the top was 8. So that means that this yellow piece is half of that, which is 4. And this is 4. And the bottom, the green part, was 10. So half of that would be 5. So this part is 5. And this part is 5. You could also count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means that this whole base is 4 plus 5, or 9 centimeters. So if I wanted to find the area of this rectangle, the area would equal 5 centimeters times 9 centimeters, which is 45 centimeters squared. This is going to help us figure out where the formula for area of a trapezoid comes from. So let's look at that formula. So for a trapezoid, the area equals 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So if you look at that, it looks a lot like our formula for a triangle, except instead of 1/2 base times height, it's 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height, because we're taking half of one base and half of the other to make that base of the rectangle. So if we looked at this, the area would be 1/2. Remember, base 1 was 8, base 2 was 10, and the height was 5. So 8 plus 10 is 18. Half of 18 is 9 times 5, 45 centimeters squared. And so cutting this trapezoid apart so that we have half of one base and half of the other base to make a rectangle shows us how we get this formula for area of a trapezoid.